Hi everyone, it's great to see you. I am out front near the new Japanese maple and conifer garden, and I am so excited today for two reasons, both of which are pink. The first is, look at these New Guinea Impatiens. They are big and beautiful, and they're just gorgeous. They are that perfect color pink, and they're going to go into the ground here and look fabulous. The other thing I'm excited about is Dan got me an auger for Mother's Day. A pink auger. Now it doesn't get much better than that. I have finally given in to everything that I've heard online, that augers save your back and that they are wonderful. So I'm hoping that this is really going to allow me to plant up all these New Guinea Impatiens very quickly, and I'll report back to you how I like it. This one is Jenny from Creekside Gardening, Creekside Nursery. This is her particular version of this auger. It is supposed to be good for standing up while you're doing planting and for those typical 5 to 6 inch pots that you get. Okay, I'm going to get started. So we're back, they're all planted, they look beautiful, bringing that nice color element to what is a very monochromatic garden really. But this is going to be amazing once the mulch gets down here. I'm really pleased with this. Now the auger was a wonderful height. It made just the right size holes width-wise. But this is the garden, remember, that has that weird plastic paver stuff underneath. So thank goodness to Dan for coming to the rescue to help out with that. For the holes that were on the two far ends though, that didn't have that plastic paver, it just went beautifully in to make those holes. So I think this is the only area in our yard that's that way. Hopefully the rest of the digging in will be a lot easier with the auger. Going to be continuing to plant New Guinea Impatiens, these up by the front of the house. Now you're going to notice that I have my Japanese boxwoods here. They stay, Japanese holly, sorry, they look like boxwoods. They stay nice and low, they are evergreens. I have daffodils that are finished blooming here. Now with daffodils, if you want them to bloom strongly the next year, you do need to leave them and their foliage up for a while. So I'm going to go ahead though and plant behind here, knowing that this will be cut down in the future and sort of in between. Now the great thing with this bed is I have planted in here before. There are no water lines, there are no roots, there are no weird plastic pavers, so I'm excited. I should be able to handle this one myself. Isn't this spectacular? I need about 32 more New Guinea Impatiens, and then we are going to have a carpet of pink up here. The beautiful pink around the edge of the driveway. It's going to be gorgeous. So a quick shout out to Charlotte and Kirby at Hidden Gardens in Barrington, Rhode Island. They have been amazing at getting me the plants that I need. So I had requested a number of flats of pink New Guinea Impatiens. They found that perfect pink for me. And now I can head back to them and tell them that I need more. But it's wonderful if you can work with a local nursery like that, because they really do have the ability to cater to what you particularly want. And then of course, if you can go online, and there are many other places to visit too, it's great to have a sampling, but I feel very fortunate to have someone that will cater to what I particularly need in the garden. Now, people often choose New Guinea Impatiens because they love the shade. And we know that New Guinea Impatiens are very hardy to, there's a type of virus that your regular impatiens can get. The first year that we moved in here, I planted a huge drift of regular impatiens, and they caught this type of virus, and there's nothing you can do. It is in the soil. Once it's there, it's there. They all died, and I had to replace them. So the New Guinea Impatiens, I don't have to worry about that, which is wonderful. They're really, really hardy. And my bunny rabbits don't eat them as much as other things. So they might have a little tasty nibble here and there, but overall, I'm going to be able to enjoy this beautiful pink color through the whole season until the frost. Often my New Guinea Impatiens are going through October, which is just amazing. So consider some New Guinea Impatiens when you are out at your nurseries this spring, and I'll show you how this all looks once I get it all finished up. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.